Hello. Good morning. How's it going?
Going well, thanks.
Let's communicate with Danny from Dahua HQ. Hello, Danny. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, Danny. Great to connect. I'm Kevin from Smart City Expo World Congress. I'm the Enabling Technologies lead. I'm really looking forward to planning Dahua's participation this year.
Hi, Kevin. It's nice to meet you. As you know, I'm Danny from the Dahua HQ Overseas Product Marketing Department, and this year, Dahua is proud to continue as a global partner of the Smart City Expo World Congress. We're really looking forward to seeing you at booth D120 in Hall 2 from November 4th to the 6th.
Hi, DeepHub. Show me the wrap-up minutes of the last meeting.